What's up guys, Brian with Dreamedia, and today we're at CES 2022 and we're going to drop in on our friends at SVS Audio and check out what's new for the upcoming year. So let's check it out.
What's up? Welcome to the SVS exhibit here at CES 2022 in Vegas. My name is Nick Brown. I'm the VP of Marketing. Today we're super excited to show off our new powered wireless bookshelf speakers. They're our SVS Prime Wireless Pro. These are a 200 watt speaker pair. So all the guts and the amplification are in this speaker, the right one. It's a 200 watt amplifier, 50 watts times 4. So you'll see the other one over here, the left speaker, they're all getting 50 watts there and an active digital crossover. So we're really able to dial these in to get them to be super accurate and get great low frequency extension relative to their size. Basically the vision of these is to create a smart wireless speaker experience that actually meets the road with hi-fi. You know, I think there's been sort of this notion that wireless speakers, Bluetooth ones especially, are more for background music and sort of in the background listening. And what we wanted to create was a true hi-fi over Wi-Fi type solution. So what you have here for connectivity is you can stream to them via Wi-Fi on your home network, Bluetooth. It has Apple AirPlay 2. Also has Chromecast, so all the wireless streaming options that you would really want can be covered here. Spotify Connect as well, and then through the DTS Play-Fi app, you have direct connections to Amazon Music, Qobuz, and all the other wireless streaming services out there. So in addition to having all the wireless capabilities, they also have connections that would allow them to be a soundbar replacement. We added HDMI 2.1 with ARC and eARC, so now you can control the volume from your TV remote and have a nice sort of home theater solution or a gaming or desktop solution. We've also got optical, so you have that as a connection option. Line level inputs and a subwoofer output. We are SVS, so you want to add a little bit of extra bass, put an SVS subwoofer with it, you can connect that as well. So really, you know, modernizing the hi-fi experience by creating an all-in-one solution where you don't need to buy any separate components. You get that pristine clarity, that awesome deep low frequency extension, really stunning dynamics. That's what we were trying to do, and then bring all that cool smart wireless connected technology. And I should also mention it can be controlled via voice, via the app. There's also a remote that we added now that you can do controlling it from the remote here. You'll notice this front panel here has track information that's also new from the first iteration, and then we have custom presets. So you have a favorite Spotify channel, an audiobook, much like on a car radio, you can just queue them up by having that at the press of a button. You can also do that via the remote, and then you have all your input switching here at the top of the remote as well. So price point we're targeting is going to be around $799. They'll be available in March, and super excited to get these out there and let people listen to them.
Every girl in here gotta look me up and down. All on Instagram, come around. G's up, tell me how I'm looking, babe.
All right, so what did you guys think of SVS Audio? Be sure to leave your comments below, like this video, and subscribe for more content. See you guys in the next one.